The books of the Bible.
Errors in the calculation of the Israelites' number. We read in the book of Numbers, chapter 1, verses 45 to 47, this statement: So were all those that were numbered of the children of Israel, by the house of their fathers, from 20 years old and upward, all that were able to go forth to war in Israel. Even all they that were numbered were 600,000, and 3,550. But the Levites after the tribe of their fathers were not numbered among them. These verses imply that the number of fighting people of the Israelites was more than 600,000. This number excludes the men, women, and children of the Levites.